Hey guys, Kendall here. I'm out at Orchards Cottages. It's our new development in Vancouver. Probably feels like we just released a development because we did, but we're gonna try to get a second one in this year. So hopefully we can close this thing before the New Year's and we can have residents in. So if you're interested, check out our website, fill out the form, and come take a tour.
The trailer out. What's next?
So next they're gonna set up all their C-channels and beams to roll this house over onto the foundation. So one thing that you'll notice looking at these houses is that they are like our first edition Ogden houses, where we have the steeper pitch roof with the front porches right off the front. Not any particular reason we're doing that different than what we did at Image District, but yeah, it's just different. And then we'll do the layout, which you'll see later in the project, more similar to Image, where we take out the features that people aren't really utilizing and just focus on the pathways and connecting points to the houses. So there are 14 cottages that we're bringing in here, and we'll be renovating the existing house on the property just like we did over at Ogden District Cottages. One thing we do really well here at Wolf is collaboration, both within our teams as well as with other subcontractors, making sure that we can tighten timelines up as much as is reasonable to get houses on foundations, tenants into those houses as quickly as possible without compromising quality. A unique idea that we have here at Wolf is that we can work simultaneously in our shop, developing the houses as we're developing the land that it's going to sit on. Which in a development this size probably takes about 2 months off of your total timeline from start to finish. At the very least, that's very conservative.
I was pulling.
Okay, we'll go on the other side and push a little bit.
Ho.
You're looking real strong right now.
I bet. I'm moving the house.
Yeah.